Today unboxing is on Mini GT new tooling, the Pandem Toyota GR Supra. This GR Supra is released alongside with the Mercedes-Benz 190E with a totally new design for the outer packaging. Box design looks great with a huge Mini GT logo splashed across. The GR Supra is a right-hand drive casting, standard license information including Mini GT authentication sticker. Wow, I think this GR Supra looks cool. Realistic wheel sets in all black. Also a very good potential for wheel swapping. Superb treatment on the headlights, which is very detailed and exquisite. Sharp Toyota badge. And I like all these reverted details. Just one thing to take note, the side mirror is very fragile. So I'll advise against contact with the side mirror in case of breakage. The curve and the door lines are stylish. Realistic rear lights in plastic insert. The exposed reverted parts. Pandem license plate and also a clean cut spoiler. Overall, the GR Supra is gorgeous. Details are fantastic and an affordable mid-price range. If you are looking at a realistic model car in 1/64 scale without breaking the bank, this will be the car of choice. Not only the GR Supra looks great from close up, it will definitely looks fantastic in realistic or casual diecast photography. Stay tuned for more Mini GT unboxing, and remember to head on to my second channel, Hot Customs Unboxing, for more contents. You can refer to the link down below in my comment section, including my bio. And don't forget to subscribe. Thanks everyone. Bye.